What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'm gonna be trying out some making money ideas that people are actually uploading online. So and in this particular video I'm gonna try out this method on this guy video, which is live watch me use safe clicking for CPA marketing. And this is the video, so I watched this video from the beginning to an end to see how this guy work everything out to be able to make money by safe clicking on this website. So what I did is just to follow everything that is said in this video in order to see if I will be also be able to make money with this method. And in this video is share about the kind of VPN you should use in order to be able to make money on this website. So it share different VPN, and you can see ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Shark VPN, and then ExpressVPN. So I literally try out Windscribe VPN for the first time, but then I noticed there might be a VPN issue. So because it did not actually recommend Windscribe in this video. So what I just did next is just to get ExpressVPN, and this is ExpressVPN. You can see. So I try to get ExpressVPN so that I can be able to see if this method actually works. So let me search for my ExpressVPN. So you can see I actually try out this method to see if I'll be able to make money just as he claims in this video. You can also watch the full video. You can see this is my ExpressVPN. You can also see the full video because I'm gonna link the in the description. You can find a link to this particular video, or you can just go to Big Alpha Money on search for Big Alpha Money on YouTube, and then you're gonna see this video. So what I wanted to know is this: you try out CPA marketing with CpaGrip, I guess. Yeah, you try it with CpaGrip. So and for you to know, I actually tried this method. I tried it multiple times, both with free VPN and premium VPN as well. So and this method doesn't convert for me. So he also use PIA, which is private internet this thing. So then I follow every step that he shared in this video. I did everything because I tried to sort out some tags, which of course he did on on that video. So then I create an account, then work towards everything, and after performing different tags as I got it on this website, so I was unable to make any money. I didn't make a cent. So you can see, if I let me check on this state and overview. Let me see if I will be able to track all my tags or everything I did on this website. So let me track 1 month. Okay, so you can see this is 4 clicks. So these 4 clicks are literally from me. So I make use of that 4 clicks, and you can see I did that on the 30th of last month, and I was unable to make any money. I didn't make any money, and these are the tags offered on this website. Let me check on offer tools, I guess. Then my offer, yeah, I think it's this page. So these are the offers available. So the next thing for me to do is just navigate to the country I want. So probably I want to see offer from USA. Then I'm gonna select USA as to get offer within USA. So this is UK, and on this particular section you can navigate. If you watch the video, you also see the same thing. So on this category, you're gonna select which one you want, which is email and zip submit. So these are the tags I literally want to see. So then you go through any of these tags. So it depends on the kind of device you're actually using. If you are using PC, you can see also available on desktop. This offer is available on Apple iOS, also available on Android as well. And there are some that are only available on desktop only, not available on iOS or Android. But you can see this particular one also available on Android. But probably, I guess, because I'm actually searching through PC, probably they were able to track the device I'm actually using. So you can see all the check marked. And if you want to perform any of this offer, you see how much you'll be getting paid to perform any of these tags. So the next thing for you to do is just click on that tags, and then you're gonna see your own custom link that you can just follow. So you can say copy link, and this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in United Kingdom. So you can see this is only available on an Apple device. So the next for you to do is just cancel that. Then let's check on this particular one, which activate the PC functions. So let's click on that. So you're gonna see this offer is only allowed in United Kingdom. So it doesn't matter what kind of device you're actually using. So far it's available, and they did not specify which device you want to use. So you just have to copy the link, then follow the prompt that I actually shared in the video, which says you have to close your browser, then head up to incognito browser, then connect your VPN and start following the prompt. And then after completing all the questions having on the link, probably you're asked to drop your name, your address, your email address. All these things are something you have to drop so that you'll be able to earn money. And these are the things I literally did, and I did not earn any money. So I want you to understand this. I'm not saying all this method is not working, because if you actually watch that video, you're gonna see that it makes some money. But I actually tried this thing and it doesn't work for me. So I cannot say it's if you try it as well, maybe it will not work for you either. But then you have to just give it a try and see if it will definitely work or not. So, but for me, I'm just trying to give out the information, what I discovered about it, because I noticed that some people will be left out to the fact that they'll be trying out this method and say maybe it's working, and some of them will be like they just want to try it out and see if there's anybody that actually tried this method, but then maybe it doesn't work out for them. And some people will try it out with free VPN and it won't work out, and they feel like, okay, let me try to purchase a premium VPN and see if this will definitely work. As for me, I tried with free VPN, it doesn't work, and premium VPN, it doesn't work, and I follow every detail mentioned in that video, and I was unable to make any money on this particular method. So if you want more video regarding some website which I tried to make money, which of course they are literally about making money online, and I tried them out, but maybe they work or did not work, I'll advise you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new video regarding something that I tried that doesn't work, so you get notification that okay, maybe this work or it doesn't. So subscribe to this channel, and I hope to serve you more valuable content more than this. Thank you.